Welcome to our tutorial on how to show importance markers in Gmail on your PC. Importance markers are a useful feature in Gmail that help you prioritize your emails based on their importance. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable importance markers in your Gmail inbox. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, click on Inbox from the top menu. Step 5. Next to Importance Markers, click on Show Markers. This will enable the importance markers in your Gmail inbox. By following these steps, you can easily enable importance markers in Gmail, allowing you to quickly identify and prioritize important emails. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.